What happened?
I lost my key.
What happened?
I lost my key.
How to go?
Go by car.
How to go?
Go by car.
What is that?
That is a dog.
What is that?
That is a dog.
What time is it?
It's 10 a.m.
What time is it?
It's 10 a.m.
What did he say?
He asked for money.
What did he say?
He asked for money.
How to start?
Start with vocabulary.
How to start?
Start with vocabulary.
When is the party?
On Sunday.
How to start?
Start with vocabulary.
What now?
Let's have lunch.
What now?
Let's have lunch.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
How tall are you?
I am 7 feet tall.
How tall are you?
I am 7 feet tall.
Who car is this?
It's mine.
Who car is this?
It's mine.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What are you doing?
I'm studying math.
What are you doing?
I'm studying math.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What is today's date?
It's Saturday.
What is today's date?
It's Saturday.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Where did you go?
I go to the cinema.
Where did you go?
I go to the cinema.
Do you know her?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Do you know her?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
How was the trip?
It was fun.
How was the trip?
It was fun.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I feel tired.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I feel tired.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to buy fruit.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to buy fruit.
What are they doing?
They are dancing.
What are they doing?
They are dancing.
What is he eating?
He is eating a pizza.
What is he eating?
He is eating a pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
What do you need?
I need your help.
What do you need?
I need your help.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
What are you doing?
I'm washing dishes.
What are you doing?
I'm washing dishes.
Who bag is this?
This is Tom's bag.
Who bag is this?
This is Tom's bag.
Where are you?
I'm home.
Where are you?
I'm home.